What's up, guys? Today here we are just showing you we are learning about the Bosch microwave oven, and this is the versus Bosch oven. Whoa. Look at it there. Made in Germany. Can you see? Well, my camera's about to get very hot, so I have to move it a little bit back. Okay. Look at this, brand new. Okay, guys, so I'm showing you what's inside. Wow. Ooh. This is a trainer, so I ran trainers from there to here. Ooh. If I put this inside, then my camera will get fired. Okay, this is a bosch microwave oven. Microwave. This is just oven. You can call this a microwave or microwave oven. Look what's this. Wow. Look how brand is it. Ooh. Can't hold this anymore. My camera, guys. Guys, look inside. Can you see inside? What is this? Oh man. Guys. We're not showing those kitchen appliances here. We're showing kitchen appliances here. Oh, sorry, that was my finger. This. Here. Sorry, that was my finger again. Oh, guys, look here. AEG scanning pod. Now, this is the OK button. That means it already started. Light. This is the light button. When you press it, then that light will come. But haven't connected. You have to just press it first. Still very hard. Here, when you press it, you can do this. You can't open it like this. Bosch. No, this is actually just wrong. This has to be Bosch oven. This brand new Bosch oven, guys. This when we sign out, AEG is trying to play jokes. Try on it. It's also the same as AEG. Can you see how red is it? See how red is it? Whoa, very quiet, old. Here is the start button. So while it's started here's the time. See that they just showing you the time, but it's the wrong time. Ooh. Okay, guys. Point numbers here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Hope you guys will see you in the next one. I can't say peace out.